Hey there! If you're having a tough time getting Facebook to load in Safari on your iPhone, I totally get how frustrating that can be. This problem can pop up for a bunch of reasons like network issues, cache data, or even your browser settings. But don't worry, I've got some simple, easy steps to help you troubleshoot and fix the problem. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Next, open the control center by swiping down from the top of your screen. Now turn on airplane mode and leave it on for about 10 seconds before turning it off. After that, try opening another app like YouTube to see if your internet connection is working. If you still can't load any websites, the issue might be with your internet connection itself. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, find and tap on Safari browser. Now hit Clear History and Website Data. After that, confirm by tapping Clear again. Cached website data can sometimes stop pages from loading correctly, so this step might help. Solution 3. Disable Safari extensions. Open the Settings app once more, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, find and tap on the Safari browser. Scroll down and select Extensions. Now toggle off any active extensions or remove them entirely. Remember, extensions can sometimes mess with website loading if they block certain scripts or content, including security certificates. Solution 4. Offload Facebook. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down again and tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Facebook app in the list and tap on it. Now tap Offload app. After that, tap Offload app again to confirm. Finally, tap Reinstall app to get Facebook back to your device. Solution 5. Disable VPN or proxy. Go ahead and open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. If you see any VPN or proxy settings, turn them off. Just a heads up, VPNs can occasionally cause websites not to load properly, especially if they're region locked. This will clear your Wi-Fi networks and settings but might help resolve any connection issues you have been having. By following these steps, you should be able to get Facebook loading again in Safari on your iPhone. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for more help. There's always there to lend a hand.